So we've learned a lot about insurance. And if you ever get sick, then I'll talk about health insurance today. It's been pretty cold, so I've got like a runny nose and a sore throat. So my voice kind of sounds silly. So let's get on what we're learning today. Health insurance. Health insurance help pay medical bills. If you get sick, you have to go to the doctor or end up in the hospital, you pay a premium, which is money paid to the insurance company for coverage. The higher the premium, the better for the coverage for more people. So usually more people is just gonna be your family, of course. Coverage refer to the out-of-pocket expenses that you have to pay, the amount not covered by the insurance company. So there are two parts to coverage. The first is deductible, and the second is co-insurance. What about deductible? Deductible is an amount you must pay before the insurance company say anything. The lower the deductible, the higher the premium. And what does co-insurance mean? Co-insurance is how much you pay and how much the insurance company said pay. It is expressed in a percentage such as 20% or 80%. So in this example, you pay 20% and the insurance company pay 80%. So for example, Sally gets sick and ends up in the hospital for a few days. The total cost is $15,000. That's a lot. She has a deductible of $2,000 and the co-insurance of 20 and to 2080. So after paying her deductible, the insurance company. So after paying her deductible, the insurance company will pay 80% of the balance, and Sally will pay 20%. So the company's just gonna pay about $13,000. Insurance pay $13,000, and you multiply by 0.8, so that would be equal $10,400. So Sally pay. Wait. Sally will pay. Wait. The insurance company will pay 80% of the balance, and Sally will pay 20%. To calculate, we'll take $15,000 and we minus $2,000. That's what Sally have, and that's $13,000. So the insurance company will pay $13,000. We're gonna take $13,000 and we multiply by 80%. So that's $10,400. Sally will only pay 20, so we will take $13,000 and you multiply by 20%, so that's $2,600. So her total out of the pocket expenses is the deductible plus copay. So you're gonna take $2,000 and you add it with $2,600, so that's $400 and $600. Now you can listen to this again if you want to make sure it is right, but this is how we calculate it and how health insurance work. So thank you for coming and have a good day.